Hey guys, it's Diamond again, and here is a big order from Claudia. From Claudia, yes, and she made this big order that has 3 covers inside, and she ordered Bloody Mary, but sorry because I just tell you guys about a fire accident in the leather dealer's factory, and now they are still rebuilding the factory, so it's not so possible to quickly to rebuilding the factory. So the Bloody Mary will tap that a couple months will come back in couple months. Okay, so and she is nice. Claudia is very nice, and she just tell me, okay, that's fine, and I can switch the Bloody Mary to the peacock green, and the peacock green is my new leather and my new color. So she want to try the new peacock green. Okay, so she add a peacock green in the standard regular, and also a sapphire leather in the standard regular, and also a 5-year Hobnichi cover A5 wine cut, and that is the slat leather. Yes, it's here. Yes, this is a pre-made. Yes, this is for a Hobnichi 5 years. Yes, and it's already here, and now I will make the other 2 covers, the peacock green and a sapphire leather standard regular. Okay, so let's make it now. See you guys later. Hi guys, it's Diamond, and you can see here are 3 beautiful covers here. Yes, 2 of them is the standard regular size, and one is the A6. Yes, A6 wine, and it can fit to the Hobnichi 5 years. Yes, it can fit the Hobnichi 5 years notebook. So you can see, because it's my pre-made, and I put it in my super quick shipping options there, and now she will shipping with these 2 just made brand new notebook to Claudia. Yes, so Claudia, is all your notebooks here, and super thank you for your support. Yes, so it's the A6 one here with the pen rope, and this is slat leather. Yeah, this is slat leather, and the color is very similar to the sapphire, but sapphire is a little darker because it has many texture. So the textures inside will has many shades inside, as you can see, and also it's very floppy leather. Yes, and the slats just like the same color, but one is smooth and one is texture. Yes, and yes, let's see the sapphire first. And she add a wing pocket in the front and with card slot inside. So you can see here 3 card slot here is a hidden slot card slot inside. Yes, and a big wing here. Yes, and you can see it's very functional pocket, the wing pocket with the 3 high card slot. But if you just choose the big room for and don't choose to the 3 card slot, and the big room will fit your mobile phone inside. So it's also a good function if you just choose a big room, not the card slot. Yes, and in the back, she choose folio pockets here. Yes, folios here. So also a notebook here. Yeah. So this is the sapphire leather she ordered. Yeah, it's beautiful too. And she chose the buttons because originally she won a Bloody Mary, but Bloody Mary just ran out and won't be back soon. So she changed to the peacock green. So you can see the peacock green is here. The color is also very beautiful, and it's also textured and very floppy. You can see it's really floppy leather and very textured. Yes, and she just chose the two folio inside. Yes, so it's all Claudia's orders, and I'm so happy because I can ship them tomorrow, and also she can receive her new baby soon. Okay, so hope you guys will like it. And this size is the standard regular, and this is also standard regular, and this one is the A61, and it can fit to the 5 years 4-inch notebook inside. Okay, and this is two standard regular. Okay, so hope you guys will love the video today, and see you soon.